welcome to Easy Recipes. Today we are going to see the recipe of Oreo biscuit cake. This is very simple recipe and you can make this cake by only 4 to 5 ingredients. This cake you can make it in microwave also and in pressure cooker also. So let's get started to our recipe. First we will see our ingredients. We need 20 Oreo biscuits. Whichever flavor you like you can take it. I have taken the vanilla flavor. So these are 20. Large packet we have 15 biscuits and in smaller packet we have 5 biscuits. So total 20 biscuits, 1 cup of milk, boiled milk, not heated, boiled, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 teaspoon of ENO, or you can use baking powder also, and butter, little bit of butter for greasing our vessel. Okay, now we have to grind these biscuits in a mixie. So I am putting the sugar in it only. We will grind it together because we don't have powdered sugar. So I am grinding the sugar in the biscuits itself. Okay. Now this is the mixture of our biscuits. Now we will add our ENO in it. Now slowly we have to add milk in it. Neatly we have to stir it, so there are no lumps in our cake. So like this way we have to make the mixture of our cake. Now I have taken this microsafe bowl. I am going to apply butter. This is only for greasing in this bowl. If you are making this cake in pressure cooker, you have to follow the same recipe till now. Now when putting in the pressure cooker, you have to take the cooker utensil. Same, you have to apply butter and you have to keep this cake in the pressure cooker for 7 to 8 minutes without whistle. You have to remove the whistle of your pressure cooker and then you have to keep it. Now I am pouring this mixture in this. Now for making this cake, you don't need to preheat the oven or something like that. Only just press the button of microwave and 5 minutes timer start. In 5 minutes your cake will. Guys, a cake is ready. If you want to check it that it is ready or not, see. Take a toothpick and apply it. If nothing comes, then your cake is cooked. You can see how soft it is, like the bakery cake. If you have Nutella or Hershey's chocolate syrup, you can apply on it and you can have it like that also. You can eat it like brownie with vanilla ice cream. Whatever type you like, you can eat it. So if you like this recipe, the full recipe is in the description box. You can have it. And now I have started my vlogs also. So if you like the recipe, please subscribe to my channel. I will give you the link of my blog also, and detailed recipe you will get in my blog also. So please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.